Hi friends, welcome to Knowledge Madness channels. Today we are going to see this break, continue and pass statement. Ultimately the video is going to be amazing. I have created videos like if else, for loop, while loop. If you don't know too much about that, then just go and watch those videos so that you won't find any difficulty in this video. Okay, and without that it is a little bit difficult for you to understand this concept. Okay, so what we are going to learn in this video, the basic functionality of the break statement, where we can use that, and like this continue for continue statement and the pass statement. So let's get started. Don't worry about this ticket price list. Basically it's for time saving. I just copy and pasted this list. Okay, so consider an hypothetical scenario where you are on the bus stand and you are looking for the bus, and unfortunately you don't have money greater than 190. Say for example you have money only 190 rupees and you want to go from the destination from A to B, and you are searching a bus within that range. So by considering this example, write a code and implement the use cases of continue, break and pass statement. Okay, let's remember this hypothetical scenario so that you will remember this concept longer period of time. Okay, let's get started. So let me run this list. My first list is ticket price, and these are the prices of the bus, and okay, this one, and I'm writing like for ticket price. Okay, and then I am looking for the price range is 190. Ticket is greater than 190. If the ticket price is greater than 190, then you don't have money to travel in that bus. Okay, you cannot travel, but the thing is that you have to search for another bus. Keep searching the bus. Okay, and then if this is also this is one print statement. This is not like if else condition I have written. This is like a simple one condition. I am just focusing on the price, that is 190. That's it. Okay, and this is the statement I am writing whenever I want to execute this statement when that like price is lesser than 190. So many of you consider like, yeah, why don't we use else statement and like this. Okay, but the thing is that whenever you are doing a coding in a real world, there must be the scenarios where you need to kind of deal with this kind of situations where you are looking for the particular condition, and then also there are some set of statements. In that case you have to learn this concept. Okay, so assuming that like whenever the price is less than 190, then like stop search, and you can travel with this bus. You can travel in this bus. Okay, but when without any statement over here, if I run this code, this line also print, because it's like the first price is like 356. It iterate through this list, and first element is 356, which is greater than 190. Then it is like this will print, and after that the control come out from this if condition, and then it will also print this one, and which we don't want. Okay, so just let me run this code for you and let's see if the both statement is printing or not. Okay, did you see like this statement, keep searching the bus. Okay, and again like stop search bus, and again keep searching. We don't want like, okay, if one time we got the bus, then stop search, and then after that we are not going to search any bus. So what what we are going to do, write continue. Let me tell you the use of the continue statement. The thing is that when we use the continue, we are instructing the interpreter, like just whenever this continue statement appear, directly go to for the loop from here to here, like continue. Don't execute these statements whatever the inside in that. If you write the 1000 statement inside this multiple statement, okay, this statement will not execute, because the thing is that continue keyword, whatever you can call it, but this is the control flow word, and if you use that control flow word, then this goes to here only, likely control is goes to directly for loop. Okay, and then it's like again checking for the condition, keep searching the bus, and then it's like we continue. If control goes inside this, is continue, and if until the condition does not meet, then it is like a stop searching. That is the basically use of continue statement. What in nutshell, it goes to back to the loop, whether it may be for loop, whether it may be while loop. Okay, now I am executing the same code. Just I think I need to copy and paste this. So this, okay, and this one, and if I run this, okay, what is doing, it is like keep searching whenever the first price is like 356, 450 to 234, 235, 600 until this 180. Okay, this one, okay, keep searching, and when we got this 180, then it's like, yeah, stop searching. But this loop is continue going on, like every time is like searching the buses again and again. Okay. Okay, so what do you can do, you can use another word whenever the bus is found. You can use the break, and as soon as you found a bus which is in the range of 180, and at the time this statement, this loop will stop, and you are not going to search for another bus. Basically it stopped the loop. Continue statement is go to back, control goes to back to the loop. Okay, just remember, see, here it is, keep searching the bus, and when the price is 180, it will stop the search. Okay, in this scenario, let me add here, check it, and in the first scenario, like continue statement, with the continue statement, you are searching for different buses, and like 180, which is in the range of your budget, 180, 140. So this is your first scenario, you are searching all the buses for around 180, 140. But in this scenario, in the last scenario, when you are in a hurry, and whenever you got the bus which is inside your budget, and as soon as you can stop, and for the stop you use the break statement. The concept is break is like break statement is the meaning of the word is the break, and what it is breaking, it breaks loop. This is for ticket in ticket prices break. Continue means is continue the loop, and when the control control comes to like continue, and continue, as soon as control is here at this statement, the interpreter will understand, yeah, we don't want to execute this kind of statement, in below this continue, and then go back to the loop where we started, then again looking for this condition and this 190 and greater than 190, keep searching the bus. Here it is like keep searching. Okay, and as soon as we got the bus, you are in the hurry. Let me add here is ticket so that you understood. So you got the first bus, which price is, I'm not a bus price, but ticket price is like 180. Okay, this is the scenario. I think you understood. Like continue, break, and then the one remaining thing is like pass statement. Suppose there is some condition and you are looking for like bus prices or something, and you don't want to execute any kind of thing, like any kind of things. So inside this if we don't you don't want to execute any kind of statement, so if you try to run this, it will throw an error. Yeah, this is the indentation error, unexpected, and ideally it should be some statement should be there. So basically in Python, or maybe in other programming language also, there is a word called pass. What does this meaning? It's like do nothing, just pass the flow. And if you the pass flow, this will what this will just like pass the flow to the downside, and this will print. And again let me remove this break. Okay, so every time this will like pass this statement, this stop searching, and you can travel with the bus. This statement will print continuously. See, here it is, stop searching. This is the pass. Okay, so basically the thing is that it is like it's not executing this statement. Whatever if you don't want to execute any kind of statement of any condition, then you can use the password. So like this is like some awkward example, but the thing is that you need to understand the concept regarding this. So basically what break statement will do, it's like break the loop. What continue statement do, this like it goes back again, go back to that loop and start again. What passes do, it pass the particular situation, and it's like flow will be continue of your code. Okay, these are the basic concept, and you can use with this scenario with while loop as well, no problem at all. Like this video if you like this, and please do subscribe this channel. Let's start with while loop. Suppose this is one condition is there, I equal to 8, while I am checking this. Let's not put the bracket over here. If it's while loop, and inside that like I am checking the condition. If I value is less than 10, then I am doing some operation. So suppose for example I plus 1, then after that I am just printing. I am going to check next time condition, this one. So every time we are checking the condition, right? When you execute this kind of statement, write a code, and this will like when you are like I value is 8, then it is printing this statement. When again it's checking for the next, like iterating, increasing the value. Now I value is 9. If you don't understand this, you can watch while loop so that you can understand easily. The thing is that it is executing until this condition is met, but you don't want to execute like long each and every conditions. You just want to break after one iteration or two iteration. So you can use word here like a break. It will just print one statement, and it is going to break, that it is come out from the loop. Break statement is break the loop, whether it may be while loop, whether it may be for loop. Okay, when we write this statement continue, then suppose this is another statement, this will not execute. Okay, execute, because we are writing this continue, so the control will go again back to the loop for checking the condition. Okay, see, I'm just writing here it's a 7 so that you can understand. Okay, that's a 3 time. When the I value is less than until I value is less than 10, this statement, this condition is true, and then this statement will execute. But did you notice that this statement will not, this statement is not printed here, because we write this continue statement, so we want this to execute this kind of statement, but you don't want. Okay, but the thing is that again if I write the pass statement, this statement will execute. Okay, this statement will execute because we are just passing the control over here, right? So you can use the pass statement inside the condition, you can use this inside the while loop, inside the for loop, to like pass the particular set of statements. I hope you understood the concept of break, continue and pass. So this is very important. So if you like this video, please like this video. It really motivates me, because this is my starting and I am just trying to explain as much as I can. I know this is like this is a starting, that is why a little bit troubling for you to understand the concept. Please let me know your feedbacks, and if you think that this needs to be improved, so you can just write a comment about that. And please subscribe this channel. So thank you guys, thank you so much for watching this video.